The REDress Project is an installation art project to bring attention to missing and murdered Indigenous women and girls. I've collected hundreds of red dresses and we display them empty in public spaces, so people are confronted with the violence, both the violence that women are experiencing, but also the presence and power of Indigenous women. You know, people will come at the installation from different perspectives and different levels of knowledge, and some people have directly experienced losing a loved one. Others come to the exhibition and the work without any prior knowledge of what's going on and what kind of violence is being faced or women are being faced by. So it just really offers an opportunity for all groups of people to come together to start having a dialogue and a conversation, and also for women and families and communities to have a space for their voices to be heard and their stories to be told. I really want to just create a space for people to come together around what Indigenous women and girls are facing across the country and even worldwide. We're calling in the spirits of the women that are lost, and like their energy and their power is here with us right now, and it's here with me in doing this work and speaking out about the violence. And they're watching, and we're doing the work we're supposed to be doing. My name is Jaime Black, and I'm a Métis visual artist. And I got into this work because it was really important to me to use my gifts as an artist to really engage and create a platform for voices that are often silenced.